Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be drawing a cute kawaii coffee cup. I hope you enjoy the video. Starting at the bottom side of our page, go draw a diagonal line, slightly diagonal line, going from top to bottom. And then I'm going to mirror that line on the other side, on the right hand side, going into a bit at the middle. Then I'm going to draw a straight line at the bottom to join them two lines up. Now for the top, we're going to draw a line, but we're going to bring it out slightly more towards the left and slightly more towards the right for the top of our coffee cup lid. Then I'm going to draw a slight curved diagonal line inwards on both sides. And then I'm going to join those lines up. And on top of that, I'm going to do the same thing, but a little bit smaller on top. Slight curved line up on the left and the right. And then we're going to join those lines up with a straight line at the top. Now for the top, I'm going to draw a curved line going from left to right, like that, and a small one down on the right hand side. Now I'm going to bring this line, the curved line that we just drew, slightly down, like so, and then I'm going to connect it back to the other side. Now I'm going to add our straw coming out of this part. I'm going to draw a line going from the top into the cup like so. And I'm going to draw one line next to it like that. For the top, I'm just going to finish that off with a curved dip line going like so, and then one coming around so it looks more 3D. Now for the design on the cup, we're going to add one straight line just slightly down from the top side of our cup, like that. And then I'm going to draw another one just coming slightly up from the bottom, like that. At inside, I'm going to draw our face. So we need two eyes, one big circle on the left, and one big circle on the right. And we're going to make it look like our cup is doing the pouty face. So for that, I'm just going to draw a 3, like so. And inside the eyes, we need to add the highlight. So for that, that's just one big circle, and then a little circle next to it. And then I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. And that's it. There you have it. All we need to do now is to color it. And there you have it, our cute kawaii coffee cup. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.